Tune in, Thailand. Hey, Mountaineers. Today, we're going to embark on an adventure filled with wonders. In Thailand, we'll learn about the power of tuning in. This means opening our hearts and minds to the beauty around us and within us. Are you ready to discover how connecting with our surroundings can help us feel more alive and joyful? Let's begin our journey together. Tuning in is like adjusting a radio to find the perfect song. It's about paying attention to the world around us and listening to what it has to teach us. In the ancient city of Ayutthaya, where the majestic Wat Mahatat stands tall, we can learn to slow down and appreciate the rich history and beauty that surrounds us. Imagine a gentle tiger wandering near the temple, embodying the grace and calmness we can find when we tune in. By being present and aware, we can truly connect with the magic of our world. Picture the Phuket Big Buddha towering high above the land, inviting us to find peace within ourselves. Look closely, and you might see a great hornbill soaring gracefully in the sky nearby, reminding us to explore and to appreciate the beauty of nature. Swinging through the trees, gibbons share their songs. Their playful movements inspire us to let go of worries and embrace the joy of being in the moment. Look! An Asian elephant splashes joyfully in the waters of Erawan Waterfall. This gentle giant teaches us the importance of play and connection to nature, reminding us to enjoy the little moments in life. Nearby, the charming Binturong climbs among the trees. With its unique whiskers and gentle demeanor, it encourages us to appreciate our own uniqueness and the gifts we bring to the world. In the forest, the beautiful Ratchapruk tree blooms brightly. Up high, a Bengal sloe loris peeks out from its branches, reminding us to slow down and notice the wonders around us. Imagine a colorful tuk-tuk buzzing through the lively streets of Bangkok. On the window, curious Tokay Gecko watches the world go by, teaching us the art of curiosity and observation. With its graceful movements, the king cobra slithers through Thailand, reminding us to respect the beauty and power of nature while remaining calm and grounded. As the Asian paradise flycatcher flits above, it glides over a stunning view of Thailand. This magnificent bird encourages us to look at the bigger picture and appreciate the beauty around us. Under the sea, a magnificent manta ray dances through the waves, showing us how to glide gracefully through life, adapting to our surroundings. Above the clear waters, a long-tail boat glides gently across the surface, and below, a whale shark swims quietly, reminding us that there is so much beneath the surface just waiting to be discovered. In the warm ocean waters, a gentle dugong swims gracefully. It inspires us to connect with our environment and take care of the beautiful creatures that share our planet. As our journey comes to an end, let's celebrate the Pink Dolphins, also known as the Irrawaddy Dolphins. They play joyfully in the waters, symbolizing joy and connection. And just like these dolphins, when we tune in to the world around us, we open ourselves to joy, love, and adventure. So remember, Mountaineers, to take a moment to pause, listen, and truly connect with the beauty of life. You never know what wonders you might discover. Thank you so much for joining me on that wonderful journey through the Tune In Thailand story. Now, let's dive even deeper into our adventure as we explore the topic of tuning in and connect it further to the experiences we just had. Just like when we adjust a dial to find our favorite radio station, we'll discover how to tune in to our own feelings, thoughts, and the vibrant world around us. Are you ready to explore together? Let's tune in. You see, tuning in is all about being present and aware of everything happening around us. Imagine you're in a beautiful place like Thailand, surrounded by nature's wonders. When we tune in, we can notice the gentle rustle of leaves, the vibrant colors of flowers, and even the sounds of animals playing. This moment is ours, and it's magical. Did you know that when you pay attention to your surroundings, it can make you feel happier and more connected to everything around you? Just think of a gentle tiger wandering near the ancient Wat Mahatat temple, embodying grace and calmness. By tuning in to the moment, we can discover the beauty of our world. So let's make this fun. Imagine you're playing a game where you have to find hidden treasures. Open your eyes and look closely at your surroundings. See if you can spot things you haven't noticed before. Isn't it exciting to think about all the wonders waiting for us to discover? This world is full of treasures, and you are the explorer. What if, every time you tune in, you uncover something new? Each moment holds the potential for adventure and learning. Now, think about this. When we pause and observe, we open the door to new experiences. Isn't it incredible how just tuning in to the world can change the way we see things? And remember, every breath we take connects us to the present. Did you know that elephants communicate through low-frequency sounds that we can't hear? They also have incredible memories. And gibbons, those playful tree swingers, they can leap up to 50 feet between branches. It's amazing how animals connect with their environment just like we can. Now, here's a fun question for you. What do you notice when you take a moment to tune in to your surroundings? Think about it and really let the answer come to you. When we take the time to listen and observe, we start to understand our place in the world. It's like we become a part of a beautiful symphony, each of us playing our own unique notes. Now, let's take 3 mindful breaths together. Inhale deeply through your nose, filling your lungs with air, and hold it for a moment. Now, exhale slowly through your mouth, letting go of any worries. let's do this again. Inhale, hold, and exhale slowly. One last time. Inhale deeply, hold it, and exhale, feeling calm and centered. Now, I have some questions for you to reflect on. What makes you feel alive when you tune in to the world? How can you bring more awareness into your daily life? What do you think you might discover if you take the time to look around? Tuning in is important because it helps us connect with our feelings and with the environment. When we take a moment to observe, we can notice things that we usually overlook. This practice can improve our mood, boost our creativity, and even help us understand ourselves better. Now, let's find a comfy position, whether sitting down or lying down. Make sure your body feels relaxed and take a moment to get cozy. Let your arms rest gently by your side or on your lap. Let's take one more deep breath together, filling our bodies with calm energy. Now, let's get ready for our meditation. Think of it as a wonderful adventure where you can explore your inner world and connect with the magic of the present moment. Are you ready to tune in and experience this journey? Let's go. Imagine you're standing at the edge of a lush green forest in Thailand. The sun is shining warmly on your face, and you can feel a gentle breeze blowing through the trees. As you take a deep breath, you inhale the scent of flowers and the earthy smell of the forest. In front of you is a winding path, inviting you to explore. As you step onto the path, notice the vibrant colors of the flowers blooming around you. Each flower is unique, just like you. Some are bright yellow, while others are deep purple. Take a moment to admire their beauty. As you walk, you hear the sound of laughter and play. Look up. You see gibbons swinging from branch to branch, their playful energy filling the air. You feel a sense of joy as you watch them. What do you think they're singing about? Continuing your journey, you come across a sparkling waterfall cascading down the rocks. The water dances in the sunlight, creating a rainbow mist. Nearby, you see an Asian elephant splashing joyfully in the cool water. Take a moment to imagine yourself joining in the fun, feeling the refreshing water on your skin. As you explore further, you spot the majestic Phuket Big Buddha in the distance. Standing tall and peaceful, he seems to invite you to find your own inner calm. Take a moment to feel that calmness washing over you, just like the waves of the ocean. Now, let's close our eyes for a moment and picture the vibrant Rajapruk tree with its bright yellow flowers. Can you see a Bengal sloe loris peeking out from its branches? Imagine the warmth of the sun shining down as you take a deep breath, filling your heart with gratitude for this beautiful moment. As you continue down the path, you notice a colorful tuk-tuk driving by. Its cheerful colors bring a smile to your face. Imagine a curious Tokay Gecko watching you from the window. What do you think the gecko is thinking? Now, let's take a moment to imagine a king cobra gliding gracefully through the grass. Picture how calmly it moves, reminding us to stay grounded and aware. Feel the power of nature around you as you walk with purpose. Next, you find yourself by the ocean, watching a magnificent manta ray swimming just below the surface. Its graceful movements inspire you to glide through life with ease. Imagine yourself swimming alongside it, feeling free and alive. As you float in the water, you spot a whale shark swimming quietly beneath you. Can you feel the wonder of being so close to such a gentle giant? Now, as your journey comes to an end, picture the playful pink dolphins leaping joyfully in the waves. Their energy reminds you to celebrate the joy in your life. Feel the happiness radiating from them, filling your heart with warmth and love. As we wrap up our adventure, take a moment to feel grateful for all the wonders you've discovered. Remember, tuning in opens up a world of beauty and connection. Just like the quote, "The greatest gift you can give yourself is a little bit of your own attention," by Anthony J. D'Angelo. If today's journey made you smile, consider saving this adventure to your favorites or sharing it with a friend. We love spreading positivity and joy to as many mountaineers as possible. Thank you for joining me on this wonderful adventure. Keep tuning in to the magic of life, and I hope you continue your climb tomorrow. Goodbye for now.